Exciting. Also super terrified. Give me a minute, eh? Hey, we're at Melbourne Airport. It's 5 AM and this is the first of our mini Australia tour. We're headed to Adelaide, Sydney, Wagga, then back home. We're flying around the country, starting to teach, train, educate on the systems that we've created for our clients. It's been 3 months coming. I can't wait. I'm super excited. And yeah, here we are. We've arrived in Adelaide. Getting the steps in. Right now we're headed to see the client. We're going to go into greetings, training, education, which is really exciting because I've been waiting 3 months for this. We then finish off the day with an interview, pack our shit and get in the next plane because we're doing this all again tomorrow in Sydney. Just let the client know our ETA. We've got A-OK. We'll see him soon. They're also super excited. This is good. 2 years ago when I set out to become the best version of myself, I was at rock bottom. At least I thought it was rock bottom. But somehow the world was still sinking further and further and I was just drifting away from everything. I needed to find a reason to go on and to just continue and wake up the next day. In any case, long story short, I decided that if I was going to live life, I was going to live it fully. And my why became helping young men live better, fulfilled lives, all round. Work, relationship, family, faith. It's showtime. We're here with the client in Adelaide and they do bespoke custom work for manufacturing, kitchens, cabinets, joinery, anything that you can think of. They do beautiful work. We're here in their factory. They've given us a tour. We're loving it. They're loving the job man system and the tools that we're building for them. Obviously training's just about to commence. So yeah, really excited. Sure how to do that because you're already paying it for $15. There's still a manual job. Yeah. And it's just.
What's that like?
Yeah. I've never seen that done.
No, what?
That's
good, and then so we log in the job.
my desk so that I can ordering board against.
Also they want to look at his.
Yeah, our app is all. Today we came to Adelaide with a plan to teach, to train and educate on a system that we've built. It was all going smoothly, up until it wasn't. Shit hit the bloody fan. And I was able to keep my cool. I remembered that I've planned for this. I remember that I've been here way more times than I could remember before. And that every time at the end, I got through it no matter what. Took out my phone, got some water, went for a walk, cleared my head. Thought about what the problem was, like really just dulled down the problem and dialed into what it was. Figured out it was actually two things. Called the company and said, hey, these are my problems, I need a favor. Can you please get on the phone and fix this with me and the client? And the answer was, of course we can, that's our job. Walk back in, go upstairs, sit with the guy and say, listen, I've got a resolution. Call, put him on speaker, we have a three-way chat. End result, when I was able to keep my composure and remember that I've planned for this and I've been working years towards this and that I know what I'm doing, and I also know what the client's problems are, I was able to come up with a solution that not only was the boss impressed, not only was the company over the moon and excited as a group of people, but the staff that are doing this couldn't wait to see what we were about to do. Now, it's the end of the day, I'm absolutely thrashed, but I'm super excited to come back and see what we did and to make sure that it actually worked, and I know that what we've done is exceptional. So that's a huge win for us.
Like I said to you as well, you were the more expensive option, but I think we've got our money's worth, and I think if we had gone with another option, we probably would have fallen short of where we wanted to be.
Just returning a message. It's good. Have you figured it out? We're back at Adelaide Airport. It's been a big day, and I'm excited for some food. It's going to be a late lunch. After that, I'm going to hit the emails, hoping to get a gym session in, and then I'll see you back in Sydney. And to anybody watching, appreciate that you've come this far. Just arrived at Sydney Airport, 10:30 at night. It's been a hell of a day. I've been up since some ungodly hour. I can't actually wait to just go and hit the sack. And then tomorrow we get to do all again. Good night, I'll see you in the morning.